Gondor automatic liquid filling machine. 304 stainless steel body. Protect the top of the cylinder without leakage. Accurate positioning and responsive. Direct suction of sanitary silicone tube. Chinese and English bilingual interface. Simple operation, easy to get started. Precision location transmission. Adjustable operating parameters. Customizable number of filling pens. Wrong plate conveyor belt prevents bottle tipping. High precision filling with an error margin 0.5 G. Infrared induction positioning. Wide range of applications. Fine work and guaranteed product quality. Client feedback.
I'm here in Denmark and I just wanted to tell you about this machine that I bought about a year ago. Yeah, it's been amazing, it's been wonderful.